If you've ever tried embedding content into your WordPress site, YouTube videos, social posts, maps, or even PDFs, you've probably hit some limits. Maybe the embed didn't work, or worse, it broke your layout. Hi, I'm Mandy Jones, and welcome to another WP Mayer plugin review. Today, we're comparing the WordPress built-in embed blocks and the EmbedPress plugin, so you can decide which one is worth your time. Whether you're building a simple blog or a media-heavy business site, this review should help you decide which tool is going to work best for you when it comes to embedding content on your WordPress site. Let's start with the built-in option. With WordPress, you can just paste a link, like a YouTube video, a tweet, or a Spotify track, and it'll automatically embed right into your post. It's quick, it's easy, and for a lot of people, it gets the job done. But there's a catch. This really only works with a specific list of supported sites, and that list has been shrinking. For example, Instagram and Facebook stopped working out of the box back in 2020. And if you're trying to embed something like a Google Map or a PDF, yeah, that's not going to happen without some extra tools. That's where EmbedPress comes in. Even the free version supports over 150 content sources, including Facebook, Instagram, Google Docs, Maps, PDFs, Wistia, Twitch, and a whole lot more. No API keys, no manual embed links, just paste the link and you're done. If your site uses a variety of different content like social posts, charts, audio players, live streams, or forms, this plugin can handle it all in one place. But the cool thing is that EmbedPress comes with dedicated widgets for Elementor, as well as full support for the classic editor, so you can add embeds easily without touching any code. For other page builders like Divi and Beaver Builder, it also gives you shortcodes, so you can embed content wherever you like. And if you want to take it a step further, the EmbedPress wrapper lets you embed entire web pages or posts inside another page on your site, perfect for keeping visitors on your site while showing external content. Want more control? The Pro version of EmbedPress gives you a lot of extra power. You can add your own branding to videos and documents, restrict access to certain content, like making a video or PDF viewable only to members, and even prevent users from downloading embedded PDFs, which is a big plus if you're sharing protected content. It also gives you exclusive playback controls for sources like YouTube and Spotify, so you can fine-tune how your media looks and behaves, from hiding controls to customizing the player style. And with lazy loading built in, your pages will stay fast even if you're embedding a lot of different media. Essentially, Pro takes your content from basic to fully branded and professional. So which one should you use? Stick with the WordPress native embeds if you're mostly embedding common content like YouTube videos and tweets. Or if you want something simple that works right out of the box with no setup required. But EmbedPress is a great choice if you're working with a wider range of media, like maps, PDFs, forms, or interactive charts. Or if you just want a tool that handles it all in one place. It's also the better option if you care about custom branding, content protection, or you're just tired of Googling, how do I embed this in WordPress every time you need to add something new. The bottom line, if your embedding needs are simple, stick with native. But if content is a big part of your site, go with EmbedPress. Even the free version gives you a ton of value. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more WordPress plugin reviews and tutorials. I'm Mandy Jones with WP Mayer. We'll see you next time.